The one point about art is that it's got its own unique vision. Everybody feels as though art is different to themselves as it could be to somebody else. But when we're talking about graffiti, what could be art to one person could be damage to your property. We've brought in Kurt Franke to talk about the legal side of real estate when it comes to graffiti, and if somebody has gone and tagged your home. And it could be your home, could be your fence on your property, anything like that. First off, what should somebody do if they've seen that their property has been tagged?
Well, I think the first thing you want to do in that event is clean it up.
Yeah, really? You do want to clean it up before the cops see it?
Well, you know, the cops will ask you to take a picture of it, and so that might be a good first move because that can help them identify a serial tagger.
Okay.
But the most important thing is to clean it up immediately, whether you go to the graffiti task force, which they have in Reno, or preferably, I think, do it yourself so you don't have to wait. Worst thing you can do is leave it on there, and then that gives the person that did it, the kid probably, notoriety. So he's more likely, the longer that takes to get cleaned up, when it finally does get cleaned up, he's much more likely, or she, to do it again.
Oh, that's where you're getting at with that, is having that up there, that sign, if you will. Now, when it comes to your property, what happens? Is there an insurance side of this? Is there a legal side of this? If you, let's say you catch the person in the act.
Yeah, if you catch the person in the act, you should actually call the police immediately and see if they'll dispatch somebody to make an arrest. The criminal penalties have increased substantially as of October of last year. And now the kids can get in quite a bit of trouble. Damage over $5,000 is now actually a felony.
Oh, wow. That did step things up quite a bit.
And so it goes from varying grades, 250 to 400. And there's a lot of community time, community service time involved in what the kids have to do. And the kids' parents can be held liable as well for the payment of any fines accrued if the child is under 18.
Very good. So if you're not exactly sure if maybe you've got a legal aspect to this, you want to sit down with Kurt and find out exactly what it means to the legal side of somebody damaging your property. How do they sit down with you, Kurt?
Well, you can call me at 827-6100. Linda would answer the call and be happy to set up an appointment. Or you can visit my website. That's LOCAF, LOKAF.com.
It's that simple. Sit down with Kurt and make sure that legally you're covered when it comes to something like this, especially if you catch that person in the act.
Absolutely. I don't think you want to run out there and stop the person. I think you want to make an immediate call to the appropriate authorities.
Now, this is a criminal thing. Is there a civil side of this on occasion?
Absolutely, there would be a civil side of this. And if that damage is monetary enough, then you could certainly hold the parents liable in a civil action or the individual doing the tagging in a civil action.
There you have it. All right. It's Kurt Franke with the legal side of real estate. Thanks, Kurt. Appreciate you coming in.
Absolutely.
Good topic.
Thank you.
All right. Now.